Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Review Information. Today I will show you how to see all the posts you have liked in Instagram. Let's see how to do this. Ever wanted to see the post you have liked all in one place? All you have to do, go to Instagram from your apps list. Now go to your own profile and click the options button, which is the three dots on the far right corner. Here you can see the option post you have liked. Tap on this and you can see all the posts you have liked from this account. That is how you can see all the posts you have liked in your Instagram account. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.